wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! And we're back in our science room, right?
Yes, I love science.
And we're super excited because Halloween is coming in and we have a special Halloween science project!
Yay, Halloween science project! Do you know what you're being for Halloween?
No, I haven't made up my mind.
Oh, it's a very big decision.
It's either going to be Buzz Lightyear because the new movie came out and I really love that movie.
That's a really good movie.
Or,
you
know, Frozen's going to come out next month and I might be Olaf.
Oh, that's a really good one.
Or
maybe I'll be Elsa. La 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 la.
This is not our singing day.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh! Are we doing the science?
We're doing a science and we're doing a special science project for you kids for our Halloween special day.
Yay! Halloween science is the best science!
And we're going to make a Frankenstein hand.
Frankenstein hand!
Come on!
Okay!
It's pretty cool because what we're going to do is it'll appear that this hand, even though it doesn't exist, it's alive.
It's alive!
So here are the ingredients you'll need, kid, because you can do this at home as well.
Yeah, it's going to be really fun.
You'll need a latex glove or a plastic glove, just like here.
Yep.
Then some baking soda.
Okay.
A tablespoon measuring spoon.
Okay.
And some citric acid.
Or vinegar.
Or vinegar.
And ours is red, and you could dye yours any color you wanted if you put a tiny bit of food coloring in it. Like for science, you could do, or for Halloween, I mean, you could do like green, because like Frankenstein, or maybe orange, or maybe just like your favorite color. So purple or pink, or what's your favorite color?
How can you not know? My favorite color is blue, and I know your favorite color is pink. And that's why right now I'm wondering, why are we using pink again when Halloween should be green?
Well, it was supposed to be red. Like scary red.
Okay, well, I guess that's the color we already chose, right?
We chose it. You could put blue in it and make it purple, but that's still more my color.
Okay. Well, we won't do that. We're going to use red. You'll also need a cup and a rubber band because, well, you'll see what we're going to do with that. But those are pretty much all the things that you need to collect right now. So for us to get started.
Yes, so go and ask your mom or your dad or a bigger brother or sister to help you and just say, hey, I'm going to teach you Halloween science.
Halloween science.
Boom! I thought I might scare you, but I didn't.
No, you didn't.
Oh.
But now I can't hear. Ouch, that hurt. That was like really loud.
Boom!
You did it again.
Yeah, I am trying to get like my scare game together before Halloween.
We'll practice this another time. Why don't we get started with our Frankenstein Hand experiment?
Hand experiment. Let's do it.
Okay, are you ready, kids? You got all your stuff ready? Let's start.
Okay.
So here's my measuring spoon, and here's my baking soda. And I'm going to put some in there, just like that. And then I'm going to take my glove, open it up, just like that. And pour some in there, into every single finger. Just like that. And I'll do that with every single finger. So kids, baking soda basically is a base. And when it hits and connects with the citric acid, it expands. And that's exactly what we're going to see in this Frankenstein Halloween science project. you'll see. It's pretty cool. And you will want to do this at home as well. And now, it's my last finger, which is our thumb. And that's done here. See, that's all done. And we're going to put that to the side and make sure it doesn't flop over because we don't want to lose it. And then we're going to take our cup, pour some citric acid in there.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to pour everything in there. I think that's it. Or almost all of it. Put that to the side. And then, very carefully, we're going to put this glove around the cup. And just to make sure that it doesn't go off, it is very tightly on our cup and it doesn't have any holes, we're going to take a rubber band and fasten it very tightly. And for that, kids, you should probably ask your mom or your dad to help you out. So, Olivia, to recap again.
Yes.
This is what we did. We had a latex glove or a plastic glove.
Yeah.
We put a teaspoon of baking soda in each of the fingers.
Yeah.
All 5 of them.
Yeah.
And then we took a cup.
Yeah.
And put some citric acid into the cup.
Yeah, I see that.
And then we placed the plastic glove with the baking soda over the cup and attached it with a rubber band.
Oh, yeah.
So it's very nicely tight.
Why'd you attach it with a rubber band? Is it so it doesn't leak?
Exactly, so it doesn't leak.
Oh, very cool.
So now it's time for our science!
Science!
But before we do that, of course, you already have your goggles on.
Yes, I'm
gonna put
ready.
mine on.
Ooh, you look very good in goggles.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And now you should take maybe just a little bit of a step back.
Ooh.
And then I'm gonna take the cup. Just like this.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna shake it.
Okay.
And we're gonna see what's going to happen.
Okay. Ooh. So much anticipation.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Be careful.
Okay, I'm careful. I'm back.
Goggles are on.
Goggles are on.
Okay, kids, are you ready?
Ready!
1,
1,
2.
2. Oh, don't repeat.
I'm a little bit afraid that I'm gonna have it all spilled out all over the place. You made sure that was tight, right?
Yes, I made sure that was tight.
Okay, good. Okay, kids, ready?
Ready!
Let's do some science!
Okay, science!
1, 2, 3, and shake!
Okay, now set it down. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa! Kids, did you see the hand blow up like that?
That's amazing.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Very cool, very science. You could touch it. Oh no. Oh, careful, it's very tight, huh? Oh, we should pause. Let's move back. Move back. Is it safe?
I think it's safe. I'm
Okay.
safe, but you stay in the back.
Okay. It looked like it was gonna explode.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love explosions.
Yeah, that's maybe not so safe. Like fireworks, yeah?
Yeah, like fireworks.
Yeah, I love fireworks too. Fireworks are amazing.
So kids, did you enjoy that?
Yay!
Yeah, that was pretty cool, wasn't
Yay,
it?
science!
Well, this is something you can, of course, do at home too. But make sure a mom or your dad is going to be there or an older brother or sister.
Yep, ask for help.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And then let us know how it went. And if you have any questions, just let us know, right?
Yeah, and if you have any other cool science experiments that you like, let us know that too.
Yeah, exactly. If there is anything that you want us to try out here at the Dream Again set, let us know and we will do it just for you.
That'd be awesome.
Well, kids, I think that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
And see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!